becoming a household name to preserve you and keep you and deliver you and your entire family from those who wish and devise your head. The Lord satisfy you with long life and show you his salvation in the land of the living, and continue to preserve, protect, and deliver you from all your fears and worries, and cause you to be around for a long time. Last long, my friend Kwame Despite. Congratulations. God bless
On behalf of the East Legon Executive Club and Africa World Airlines, myself, please join me in saying a very big happy birthday to our brother, our friend, colleague, Mr. Osei, the despite on his 60th birthday. And of course, my co-founders and I will invite you to the cockpit. Would like to take a picture with you, so we can also see you. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. 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 Hip, hip, hip.
Today at the swap with sorry.
The voice of man. What big family?